Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom and let me show you how to enable eye comfort mode or night mode. So first of all we have to open the settings, then let's scroll and find display and brightness, and here we've got eye comfort, so let's click that. As you can see here we've got some options to customize. For example, we can schedule that feature, we can set the start time and the end time. What's more, we can set it as always on, so your screen will be always a little yellow. What's more, you can of course adjust the temperature of that feature from cooler to warmer, and some display effects, color and black and white. Let me turn off the schedule time and let me turn off the always on. Let's get back, and this is how you actually customize the eye comfort mode settings. If you want to have the fastest access to that feature, simply unroll the top bar and let's find the eye comfort mode. To turn it on, simply click on it, and as you can see the screen turned a little yellowish, and now you can freely use your eye comfort mode. To turn it off, simply click on it again. So that's all. This is how you use and set eye comfort mode in your REALME X3 SuperZoom. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.